Go.
Hey, honey, what you doing?
Well, I reckon I'm reading the Bible.
Oh, guess I'll join you then.
Where the kids at?
Boo, I think he's in his room, man. The other one, well, I don't know where he is.
Well, I reckon that Boo better not be up something, because he always got something up his sleeve now.
That boy, I reckon he got demons in him.
Boo? Where you at, Boo?
Right here, Daddy.
What you doing, Boo?
I was just wondering why you never let me come out.
Well, you better sit down. You ain't going out nowhere, son.
Boy, I want to go
You
out.
better sit down right now.
But I want to go
Get a
out.
Bible and sit down.
So, honey, do what your father tells you.
But, damn, nobody let me go out ever.
Boo, honey.
Why I gotta read the Bible? Kids gotta have fun too.
Boo, honey, listen to your father. Come on.
In this house, we do not have fun. We do not know the word or the meaning of fun. All we do is read the Bible and stick.
But Daddy,
No, son. No, but Daddy's me, okay?
but
Just sit there and read the Bible.
But
Now, you hush now.
no.
You hush now.
You read the Bible,
Alright.
okay?
Grab yourself a Bible and get to reading.
No, you don't get to read it. Shut up, people.
You should have been done with 10 chapters by the end of the day, boy.
If I read the Bible,
Get them demons out.
Mama, if I read the Bible, can I go outside?
Absolutely not.
Why not?
Because you ain't got no business to attend to out there.
Why? Scout want to play with me.
Scout does not want to play with you. They just want to see you to make fun of you.
No.
And why do they look for me?
To make fun of you. They think you're some kind of god or something.
No.
Did your parents ever let you go out?
Well, of course, honey, but I was normal.
What's that supposed to mean?
Child, you ain't normal.
Just read the Bible. Just
Now
read
push
the
it. Read that Bible.
Bible.
Push it.
And go with time.
Push it. I'm done.
Now go outside now.
I've been sitting here reading this Bible, and I still ain't done. I can hardly believe you done.
But
reading
my
that
eyes hurt, Papa.
Bible. Don't you respond to me.
But my eyes hurt.
Well, you better go and...
Can I go outside and get some air first?
No,
Yeah.
no, son. You know we don't go out there. You know what that world out there has?
No, because you never let me go out.
You don't need to know. There's too much stuff out there
But
that's
Papa-
going on that we don't need to be involved in. Now, we
Ain't I ever supposed to get married?
sit here and